Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And sa video na to, uh, I will discuss now on how to get the derivatives of exponential function. So again, we should be aware na okay ng parent function when it comes to exponential. So ano mga yun? Okay, so meron tayong a raised to x, okay, e raised to x, and then x raised to x. Okay? So basically no, okay, ito dapat yung magiging form natin when getting the derivative. Okay, ito yung pinaka-simplest form. But again, hindi naman lahat ng oras yung ating exponent is, let's say, yung x dito, okay, mga x dyan ay x lang. No? Sometimes, yung ating function dyan or expression na in general na is a function of x. 'Di ba? Oh, dito, pwede mong sabihin, ano yan, a raised to 5x. Ito naman, pwede mong sabihin e raised to x squared minus 1, di ba? Ito naman, pwede siyang sin x, no, raised to x. So, mga ganyan. Okay? So, pag ganyan, okay, we have to set a rule, di ba? Gagamit tayo ng panibagong rule, di ba? Kasi, uh, if we try to look na sa formulas, no, sa derivatives ng uh, um, exponential functions, so ito, so number one, yung derivative ng AU is equal to AU ln of A du. Okay, yung A mo diyan dapat lagi siya more than 0 kasi meron ditong logarithmic, okay, expression. Okay? So, base diyan, okay, basically yung derivative ng A raised to X ay um, A raised to X and then ln of A, okay, if tayo ay with respect to X. Ayan. Okay? Ito naman si EU du, okay, yung derivative daw ng e raised to x, ibig sabihin niyan, okay, is equal to, okay, e raised to x lang. Na, okay, so now, sabi natin, what if yung ating exponent dyan dito sa may ax and then ex is dx lang. Okay, so gagamit tayo ng chain rule. So ito, yung first formula natin na derivative ng a raised to u, okay, 'di ba, equal daw kay copy lang AU, ln of A, and then du. So, if U is a function of X, ayan, maglagay ka dyan ng dx, dx. So, don't forget to get the derivative of U with respect to X. Alright? So, napakasimple lang ng, ng derivatives ng exponential function. Just follow the formula, okay? And then, simplify. Diba? Okay, so let's try some exercises that involves the derivatives of exponential functions. Okay? So, number one, okay, so dito tayo sa side na. Ayan, number one natin guys is yung derivative ng 2 raised to 10x. Okay, so in this case, no, if you try to compare that to a raised to u, that means our u is 10x and our a is, okay, 2. Okay? So, if you follow the rule of derivative ng a raised to u, which is au, okay, ln of a, okay, du. Okay? So, lagyan mo siya ng with respect to x lang. Ayan, with respect to x. So, that means the derivative ng y natin, which is the derivative of, okay, 2 raised to 10x. Ayan, equal to. So, just copy AU dito. So, that means copy mo lang siya, no? 2 raised to 10x. And then ln of A, okay, which is 2. So, ln of 2. And then don't forget the derivative of U. So, in this case, ang ating U, diba, is yung 10x. So, derivative ng 10x. Then, simplify. So, 2 raised to 10x. Okay, ln of 2. And then, times. Derivative ng 10x is 10. Okay? Pwede mo siya lagay sa harap. So, magiging equal to. Okay. So, that is 10. Lagay ko lang sa harap tong ln 2. So, ln of 2. Ayan. Pwede na sa likod siya, no? Pwede rin dito yan. 2 raised to, okay, 10x. Ayan. Then, times ln of 2. Okay? So, yan yung derivative ng 2 raised to 10x. Alright? I-close ko to. Ayan. Okay, next number is 2. So, ang given natin guys is y is equal to 3 raised to x and then times 4 raised to 2x. So, dito meron tayong dalawang exponential functions. But, we cannot combine these two. Okay? Mas lalo siya magiging complicated if you try to combine the two. Okay? Um, if you force na ma-combine mo yun sa ano, sa isang function lang, so magiging e diyan yung base mo. But, wag mo muna gagawin yun, okay? So, dun tayo sa as is siya na naka-a raised to u. Kumbaga, dito guys, no, i-set mo to as dalawang function or dalawang expression. Let's say ito yung ating u, ito naman yung ating b. So, meron tayong dalawang function dito, so that means gagamit tayo ng product rule, no? Yung ating derivative ng ub is equal to UDB, okay, plus B du. Okay? So, by applying the product rule, yung ating derivative ng y with respect to x or the derivative with respect to x ng 3 raised to x times 4 raised to 2x ay equal to, so copy muna ang u, okay? Copy muna ang u, 3 raised to x and then derivative ng b, okay, yung ating okay, 4 raised to 2x. Okay, then plus, copy naman ng b, yung 4 raised to 2x, and then derivative ng u, yung ating 3 raised to x. Okay? Ayan. So, ngayon, since tapos na product rule, okay, both terms here or expression here, no? So, you will apply the derivative for exponential function. Okay? Again, copy yung 3 raised to x, okay, times derivative ng 4 raised to 2x. So, di ba pag AU, copy mo ng AU. So, 4 raised to 2x and then ln of A. Ang A mo dito, in this case, is 4. So, ln of 4. Then, derivative ng ating magiging U na naman. Okay? Yung 2x. So, derivative ng okay, 2x. Okay? Plus 4 raised to 2x and then derivative ng 3 raised to x. So, again, that is derivative ng A raised to U. So, copy yung AU mo, ln of A, ln of 3, and then derivative ng exponent natin with respect to x. So, dx over x. Okay. Copy to, copy again, ln of 4, and then ito, derivative ng 2x. So, obviously, that is 2. Okay, times 4 raised to 2x, copy, times copy, and then ln of 3, okay, derivative ng x with respect to x is, okay, 1. Okay. Ngayon, common yung 3 raised to x tsaka 4 raised to x dito na. So, let us factor out, okay, those expressions. So, 3 raised to x times 4 raised to x. Okay. Then, meron tayong 2 ln of 4. Ito naman, plus, okay, ln of 3. Okay, pwede ba siya masimplify? Actually, pwede na to guys, no? Para sa akin lang, mas gusto ko na ano eh, na kaysa lang to. So, 3 raised to x, 4 raised to x. Di ba guys, ito, pag coefficient, pwede mo siyang ipasok dito na magiging exponent. No? Okay, so magiging ln of 4 squared na plus ln of 3. Okay, copy again. Okay, so yung 4 squared, that is 16. Okay, plus ln of 3. Yan, meron tayong sum. Meron tayong sum. So, okay, magiging product, di ba? So, 3 raised to x, 4 raised to x, and then ln of what? 16 times 3. Okay, so which is 48. Then, lagay mo siya sa harap. So, ln of 48 kung gusto mo. Okay, then times 3 raised to x times 4 raised to 2x. So, ito guys, yung derivative ng ating given expression, which is 3 raised to x and times 4 raised to x. Alright? Alright, so our next problem, okay, number 3. So, y is equal to 5 e raised to negative x squared. Okay, so in this case, you will use the derivative for e raised to u na EU and then DU. Okay? So, if U is a function of x, so maglalagay ka dyan ng dx lang. Okay? So, ngayon, yung ating dy dx or the derivative ng okay, 5 e raised to negative x squared. So, meron tayong constant. Okay, pwede mo siyang ilabas. So, 5 derivative with respect to x ng e raised to negative x squared. Now, if you try to compare this with e raised to u, so that means ang ating u is negative x squared. Okay? So, by applying the formula for derivative ng EU, so meron tayong 5. So, derivative ng EU, so EU, copy lang siya, and then derivative ng U with respect to x. So copy mo lang to, e raised to negative x squared, and then derivative with respect to x ng ating U na negative x squared. Okay? Simplify. Ayan, ano yung derivative ng x squared? So 2x. So this is negative 2x. Okay, multiply no, negative 2x by 5 is negative 10x e raised to negative x squared. So, yan yung ating dy dx. Alright? Okay, next number, 4. Ano yung 4 natin? Okay, e raised to cosine of 2x. Okay? E raised to cosine of 2x. Okay, so dito guys na yung ating u is naka-trigo function. No? Kasi pag kinumpare mo siya kay e raised to u, so that means our u is cosine 2x. Okay, so that means na dapat alam mo yung derivative ng cosine of u. No? Derivative naman ng cosine of u, okay, is negative, okay, sine of u, and then du. Okay? So now, yung ating dy dx or the derivative, okay, with respect to x ng quantity cosine e raised to cosine of 2x is, ayan. So, di ba, derivative ng EU, okay, is copy yung EU, which is e raised to cosine 2x, and then derivative ng u. So, derivative ng, okay, cosine of, okay, 2x. Okay? Copy lang muna ito na, yung e raised to cosine of 2x. Ayan. Then, derivative ng cosine, okay, of 2x or cosine of u. So, negative sign yung du na. Okay? So, derivative ng cos is negative sign. So, negative, okay, sine of 2x. So, in this case naman, sa derivative ng cosine u, okay, ang magiging u naman dyan is yung 2x. So, meron ka pa dyan, derivative with respect to x ng 2x. Alright? So, e raised to cosine na 2x times, okay, negative sine 2x. Okay? Then, derivative ng 2x is simply 2. So, simplifying yung 2 tsaka negative, lagay mo sa harap. So, negative 2, pati yung sine, okay, sine of 2x e raised to cosine 2x. So, yan yung ating derivative ng e raised to cosine of 2x. Alright? So, for our last example is yung x raised to sine x. So, dito, okay, parehas tayo function of x. So, ito yung formula number 3. Ayan, ito, guys na. Okay? X raised to sine x. Na. Okay, so number 5 is y is equal to x raised to sine of x. Okay, so let's go back sa formula na na u raised to b. Okay, which is, actually guys, na meron tong trick yung sa pag-memorize ng formula na to, no? u raised to b minus 1, okay, du plus plus nga to, u raised to b ln of u and then db. Actually guys, na meron tong trick. Okay, kung mapapansin nyo to, okay, ito guys, to naka-power. Okay, naka-power formula. So dito, ang papansinin mo lang is si u. U lang. Okay? So parang constant yung b dyan. Okay? Then sa second scenario naman, ito guys, no? Okay, ito naman ay manggagaling sa formula ng, okay, exponential yung a raised to u. Galing siya kay derivative ng AU. So, dito ang gagawin mo naman, constant naman yung U, 'di ba? Ito 'di ba ano, kung, maalala niyo, 'di ba yung derivative ng U raised to N is copy yung N minus 1 and then du, 'di ba? Yan siya, oh. So, if B is constant, kung ang U mo na papansinin mo, okay, is magiging constant yung B, so B copy minus 1 and then derivative ng U mo, okay? Sa second ano, term is naging constant yung U mo naman. So, parang exponential siya. Okay, yung, formula number 1 natin. Okay, 'di ba yung derivative niya is, copy ln of A and then the derivative nung dito, okay, ng U. But in this case, yung ating magiging U is nasa taas yung B, 'di ba? Okay, so ln nitong U and then derivative nitong numerator, exponent, 'di ba? Yan siya, oh. Kasi dito kasi ang exponent is U, dito naman ang exponent is B. So, derivative ng B. Okay? So, if U and B are both function of X. Yan. So, diyan ka maglalagay ng dx. Okay? Napakasimple lang. Isa pang way diyan, kung hindi mo ma-memorize yung U raised to B, pwede kang mag-logarithmic. Kaso, sa ano ko yon sa next na video. Okay? So, maraming ways na. Okay? Pwede mo i-memorize directly yung formula. Pwede mo siyang tawag niyan, yung i-solve in a creative way by using by setting ano, sino yung constant muna, 'di ba? Kung si U and B, U or B. Okay? Then pwede ka mag-logarithmic. Anyway, so since tayo ay exponential, so you will stick to this formula, no? Okay? Kung paano kumuha ng derivative ng U raised to B. Alright. So, if our given is x raised to sin x, no? So, gagawin mo dyan, ang u mo is yung x. Okay? If yung formula mo is u raised to b. Okay? Ang ating u is x, then yung ating b is sine of x. Okay? So, therefore, the derivative ng y natin with respect to x, or the derivative, okay, ng x raised to sine of x, okay? Ayan na. So, power muna. Okay? So, x raised to sin x. Bale, okay, copy mo yung sin x dito. Okay, then x raised to hanggang minus 1 ka. Okay? Then derivative nito. Okay? So, ddx ng x. Okay? Plus, okay, sa second part, okay, ang pagkukukusan mo is yung exponent naman. So, parang constant to dito na. Okay? So, magiging x sin x. Okay? Then, ln nitong base mo, x. And then, derivative ng exponent. No? So, ddx ng, okay, sin of x. Okay? So, simplifying, syempre. Ayan, sin of x raised to, sin of x minus 1. Derivative ng x with respect to x1. So, kaya ito mo siya ilagay. Then, plus copy. Ayan. Tapos, ito naman, ln x sin x, no? ln x and then, okay, sin of x. Okay, so, paano ito i-simplify? Okay, so, kung gusto mo yung fraction, walang problema. Kung gusto mo ng fraction, walang problema na. Actually, pwede na yan. Pero, siyempre, pag mangit ng problem, mas better na group yung ano, nakaiwala yung common. Okay? Kasi dito meron tayong sin. Ay, wait lang. Na. Derivative ng sin is cosine. Mali ako ng sulat. Cosine of x. Okay? So, kasi dito meron tayong x sin x. Okay? Kasi ito minus 1. Ito wala. Okay? Pwede kanya manipulate na. Ito kasing ano, x sin x. Wait lang. Pwede kasi ganito yan guys na para sa mga ano, mahirap sa factoring. Okay? So, pwede ganito yan. So, para magkaroon ka ng okay, minus 1 dito, gagawin mo dyan. So, plus x sin of x. Kung nag-minus ka ng 1, mag-plus ka rin ng 1. Diba? Tama na. Okay, then ln x tapos cosine of x. Okay, ngayon ito, syempre, iwalay mo lang yan, di ba? Sabi sa algebra, kung meron kang a raised to m plus n, that is the same as a raised to m plus n. A raised to m times a raised to n. Okay? Ayan. So, ito, ang part na to, so maging ano yan, x raised to sin x, k minus 1, and then x raised to 1 or x. Okay? So, by that, pwede mo nang i-factor out itong part na to. X sin x, tsaka ito, minus 1. Di ba? Okay? So, next page tayo. Okay? Para meron tayong copy, okay, reference, copyahin ko to. Copyahin natin yan. Itong part na to. Okay, ubusin ko to no. Dito. Okay. Hindi na copy. Hindi na capture lahat. Ayan, tapos ayan. Okay. Next page tayo. Then, paste. Oops. Ako, mali. Okay. Ano lang, sa next page na lang. Sobra sa paste. Ayan. Okay. So, okay. Factor out x raised to sin x minus 1. So, x raised to sin x minus 1. And then, dito ang tira guys is sin x lang. Okay. Plus, dito ang tira ano? Okay. Cosine x. Okay. And then, ln of x. Okay. So, ito guys, pwede ito na. If, okay, yung x mo is greater than 0. No? Kasi, yan, nasa ano siya? Nasa loob ng ln of, nasa loob ng natural log. No? So, baka siya maging negative. Okay. So, yan yung derivative ng ating x raised to sin x. Alright. So, yun lang for the derivative ng exponential function. So, I hope sundan nyo yung ating lecture. Alright. So, if you have questions, just comment down below. And thank you for watching. See you sa ating next video.